So as the mayor of the township, I am proud to be a part of this celebration and this very momentous occasion. Thank you.
It's easy for us to come here. This is what we do. We love to do it. We tell our clients you're going to save money. It's carbon free. But the reality is it's not easy to do. And I just want to thank Mayor Devaney, Connell, Fiserv. You have to get everybody on the same team to do this. In 3.5 years, this is tough stuff. It's easy to do nothing. And we all hear about climate change and the problems that we have, and they're real and they're big. But you have to be a little bit different and go out on a limb a little bit. And Connell's done that. I think for all the money saved and the carbon avoided, these are measurable, repeatable, great things. I think one thing that really needs to be known is this is a model of what can be done. We can't do everything, we can't solve it all, but as Gandhi says, be the change you want to see. This is an example of what we can do right now. And so it's a real tangible example of leadership. So I want to thank you guys, Shane, all you guys that made this happen. It's phenomenal. We love it. This is what we do, but we need good people to come out and be leaders, and you've done that. So thank you very, very much, and enjoy. I think it looks great and it functions beautifully. Some more stats. What is there? Close to 10,000, 9,100.
Almost 10,000.
Almost 10,000 solar panels here. It's enough to provide clean energy, cheaper energy for 560 homes over the next 25 years that this thing will last, probably more. The practical way, you're out of the elements. I mean, this is something that people need to understand. It's taking a parking lot, monetizing it, and making it better. And you guys are a leader in this. So thank you so much for allowing us to be part of it. And great day. Enjoy, guys.
The one cool thing about the carports, it's a fantastic amenity for office campuses. Northeast, we have a lot of elements. It gets sunny, it rains, it snows. This is a fantastic way to offer tenants nice shaded parking. With that, we will proceed to the ribbon cutting